The last couple years I have used the Teleprompter for most of my YouTube videos and for many of my clients to produce social media content, online courses or corporate videos. As I'm using for a while the Desview T3, I want to show you the bigger product, the Desview TP150, which allows you to use larger iPads and bigger cameras. Everything I just say in this video I'm reading from the Teleprompter, which is on the lens. So in this video I will show you the Desview TP150 so you can see if it's the right fit for your production. My name is Mike Kleinert and I spend most of my time traveling and creating content for brands and creators. Here on YouTube I create an environment for you to learn from me by sharing my skills, the tools I am using, so you will get better in photography, videography, or these days as a content creator. Why using a teleprompter? As a result, you will not constantly forget your text, so you can concentrate more on how to present. There is less screwing up and the editing goes faster since you can read the complex script from the teleprompter. After completing the research, writing the script, then open the Teleprompter app, press record and read from the teleprompter so that you're always looking into the camera lens when you're reading your script. It's okay to go off script and don't forget to smile and use your hands when you present. Let's check out the Desview TP150. What is in the box? The Desview TP150 comes with a nice aluminum carrying cases which keeps the mirror glass protected from damage. The 70-30 beamer glass with 26 layers coating for no light loss, so you can see the script when you are looking straight into the camera lens. A teleprom holder, a camera mount adapter, sun shield, L-knob screws, remote control, microfiberglass and a user manual are also included. What are the benefits of the TP150 and when should you buy it? Not only that you can read complex scripted without memorizing all the details, but you will edit and talk to the camera 5 times faster. You can use the TP150 for recording any types of video content, such as online course, vertical social media content, TV interviews, commercial advertisements, corporate videos, or outdoor reviews for YouTube. With the TP150, smaller and larger productions are more easily to handling by combining professional cameras with an iPad, which can be used in horizontal and vertical. Thanks to the teleprompter's large 15-inch screen, wide-angle lenses with 80mm field of view can be used without vignettes. With its all-aluminum alloy material, the TP150 teleprompter supports vertical promotion for tablets up to 15.3 inches. The iPad Pro for example, and it allows you for quickly installation. Liftable platforms or incline pull-up TP set are easy to adjust. The controller with the Desview application. It's easy to connect the remote controller to the app. It allows you to scroll through the text while simultaneously adjusting play, pause, slow down, speed up, without touching the iPad. With the Desview app it is easy to add titles, scripts, changing the colors or the size of your text. My recommendation is to use the Prompt Smart app for enhancing features like automatic speed adjustment and way more. The links is also down in the description. When showcasing products, you can use the TP150 as a mirror to check if it is in focus or how the frame looks like. A social media content creator can use the vertical features for product reviews without being mirrored, like when you're using your phone. So how much does it cost? The cost of a teleprompter is normally over $1,000, but Desview has made it affordable for smaller production companies and YouTubers for just $290 at this time. On top of that, Desview gave me a 10% discount code so that you can save even more money. There's also the links in the description down below, or you can use the promo code MIKE10. My final thoughts about a TP150. If you are a professional filmmaker, content creator or YouTuber looking for leveling up your production, the Desview TP150 is the right choice for you. You can write more complex scripts and you can create more videos in short amount of time with a higher production value. Forget about forgetting the text or spending hours of editing good sounding sentence. Using a teleprompter is for me a game changer, as you can perform complex scripts and cut out the bad parts quickly in the editing room. My only complaint about the teleprompter are the little screws when you have to tighten up them, but you also can use a screwdriver. Check also out my other review about the portable Desview T3, which explains why and how to use a teleprompter. I would appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in further video. Stay positive and creative.